Hi children, welcome to Narayana live classes. Today I am going to explain about assignment number 9 from 10th class. The topic is pair of linear equations in two variables. Let's go for the first question. A two-digit number is 4 times the sum of its digits. If 18 is added to the number, the digits are reversed. Find the number. So this is also application of a pair of linear equations in two variables. Let's solve with the help of this chapter. A two-digit number, what is the standard form of a two-digit number? The standard form of two-digit number, standard form of two digits can be written as 10x plus y. It is in the form of 10x plus y. And a two-digit number is 4 times the sum of its digits. What are the two digits? The unit place is y and the tens place is x. So that it can be written as 10x plus the sum of a two-digit number is 4 times of sum of its digits, that is x plus y. So written the total statement into equation form. This can be written as 10x plus y. It is 10x plus y is equal to 4x plus 4y. 4x plus 4y. Just rewrite this one. This can be taken as, so for 10x minus 4x plus, that is y minus 4y is equal to 0, So this can be written as 6x minus 3y is equal to 0, that is 2x minus y is equal to 0. So let me take this is equation number 1. So from the second statement, if 18 is added to the number, the digits are reversed. So what are the digits reversing means what? It will become 10y plus x. 10y plus x. It will become 18 plus 10x plus y. 10x plus y. If you want to add 18 to the original, that will become reversing of the digits. So it is nothing but what? Just simplify this. So that is 18 plus 10x plus y. So how many times it is? So just rewrite this. That is 9x plus minus 9y plus 18 is equal to 0. So this is 9x minus 9y is equal to minus 18. From this x minus y is equal to minus 2. Let me take this is equation number 2. Solve equation number 192. So we can take, that is subtract equation 192, that is 2x minus y is equal to 0. X minus y is equal to minus 2. Here 2x minus x will become x, that is these two will get cancelled. 0 minus of minus will become 2. So x is equal to what? 2. Now we have to find the value of y. Substitute x is equal to 2 in equation 1. So what will happen? It is 2x. 2 into 2 minus y is equal to 0. So that y is equal to how much? 4. Y is equal to 4. So x is equal to 2 and y is equal to what? 4. X is equal to y is equal to 4. So what are the two digit number? That is x and y, no? So we'll take it as what? 24. So two digit number is 24. 24 is the two digit number. Let's go for the next question. 5 years hence, the father's age will be 3 times the age of his son. 5 years ago, father was 7 times as old as his son. Find their present ages. So this is also application of a pair of linear equation in two variables. So we have to write each and every statement in equation form. So before going to that, let age of father be x. Next, age of son is equal to y. Now the first statement, 5 years hence will become in the future, that is x plus 5 is equal to, age will become thrice. 3 times means 3 into y plus 3, y plus 5. This is the first equation. Simplify this. X plus 5 is equal to 3y plus 15. Next, x minus 3y is equal to 10. Let me take this is equation number 1. Similarly, from the second statement, 5 years ago means x minus 5. 5 years ago, father was 7 times as old as his son, means y minus 7. Y minus 7. Simplify this, that is x minus 5 is equal to 7y minus 49 minus 49. Just x minus 7y is equal to minus 44 minus 44. Let me take this is equation number 2. So, solve these two equations to find the value of x and y. X and y, that is, so from equation 1 minus 2, that is x minus 3y is equal to 10. Next x minus 7y is equal to minus 44. Just subtract these two. Here minus plus plus. Here x and x will get cancelled. How many times it is? 4y is equal to. 4y is equal to how much? 54. 4y is equal to 54. So here it is how much? Yes. So here it is 5 only. Sorry. The age, so 5 years ago, 5 years ago, the son age will become y minus 5. Y minus 5. Y minus 5. Just rewrite this one. So 7y and 7 5s are 35. 35. Yes. So it is 35. Next, it will become minus 30. So x minus 7y is equal to what? Minus 30. So here also, yes. So we can write like this. Yes. So subtract equation 192, that is nothing but what? X minus 3y is equal to 10. The second equation is x minus 7y is equal to minus 30. So subtract these two, will become plus. Here x and x will get cancelled. So it will become 4y is equal to 40. So that y is equal to how much? 40 upon 4. So y is equal to 10. So y is equal to how much? 10. Similarly, find the value of x. So substitute y is equal to 10 in equation 1. In equation 1. So that x minus 3 into y, 10 is equal to 10. So that x minus 30 is equal to what? 10. So x will become 40. X will become 40. So what is the age of father is 40 years and the age of son is 10 years. Let's go for the next question. The larger of two supplementary angles exceeds the smaller by 18 degrees. Find them. That is, so what is the supplementary angles? So x comma y are two supplementary angles. Supplementary angles. So that sum of those two angles must be 180. Must be 180 degrees. So in these two, the larger of two supplementary angles. Let me take x is the greater than y. So that x is the larger of two supplementary angles, exceeds the smaller by 18. Exceeds means 18 plus y. 18 plus y. So from this, rewrite this one, x minus y is equal to what? 18. 18. This is 18. From these two, let me take this is equation number 1 and this is equation number 2. So solve from equation 1 and 2. Add. That is, so add equation 1 comma 2, that is x plus y is equal to 180 and x minus y is equal to 18. So from these two, so y will get cancelled. So here it is 2x is equal to 198. So that x is equal to how much? 99 degrees. X is equal to 99 degrees. Substitute x is equal to 99 in first equation. Substitute x is equal to 99 in equation 1. In equation 1. That is 99 plus y is equal to how much? 180 degrees. So that y is equal to how much? 180 minus 99. 180 minus 99. So how many times it is? 81 degrees. 81 degrees. So x is 99 degrees, y is the 81 degrees. So these are the three questions. Thank you, children.